if I get a down payment large enough to get my money back out of the deal, or I use financing, or my mother-in-law will lend me money, or I do it with a partner. So a lot of these land deals, I'm profitable almost immediately.
The benefits of land, from what I understand, and you can tell me if there's more, but the benefit that I understand from land is you don't have to rehab it. There's no one living in it, right? Like a house. The cost to get into land is typically cheaper. You can buy lots for, a few $1,000s. Obviously, there's some that could be, multiple six figures. I think those are the main things. I mean, is there anything I'm missing there? Because it seems like with land, the competition too, right? Like there's not as much competition with land. So if you're going after land deals, you're not going to be one of 100 or potentially thousands of real estate investors that are trying to text, cold call, direct mail, that kind of thing, these properties, right? What else is there as far as benefits to land that our listeners should understand?
Yeah, I'll just compare it to having rentals and receiving passive income from that compared to, passive income from people paying me seller financing on the notes that we provide. So how I sell most of my land is, I'll buy it for 5, 10, 15,000, and then I'll get a down payment, a documentation fee, a couple $100, and then a couple $100 a month each month for the payment. Well, when those land buyers call me, it's usually, hey, I want to pay extra, or hey, I got a new bank account. Can you update it? Compared to the tenants, it's always something.
Hi guys, Tony here. I hope you like what you see so far. If you like what you see so far, hit the like button, subscribe. This will get this out to more people and notify you guys when I create more videos. I'm looking to create more millionaires and more success from people like you. So keep watching and share this with anybody you think could use it.
And I'm nothing bashing tenants, but I thought I was doing well. I got up to almost 20 something doors at one time. And each one of those doors was netting me about $300 a month. But when I looked at what I would pay over that last 12 months for repairs and renovations and blah, 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 it's like houses are like apples when they fall on the ground. If nothing eats them, they just rot. They just rot constantly. There's always something breaking. So I actually never personally made profit from any of those house deals until I sold it 10 or 12 years later because of appreciation. In some areas, they didn't even appreciate. Compared to the land, I'm profitable literally in like the first couple months, sometimes immediately, if I get a down payment large enough to get my money back out of the deal, or I use financing, or my mother-in-law will lend me money, or I do it with a partner. So a lot of these land deals, I'm profitable almost immediately.